à tous, je m'appelle Shivani et j'ai fait ma maîtrise dans la langue française à l'université de Puducherry. Now, what I'm going to say is, my name is Shivani and I have done my master's in French from Pondicherry University. My all over India rank is 24. I have been teaching French from past 8 years to the kids of classes 6 to 12. Not only kids, I have also been teaching for DELF, and other French courses that you want to go for. For example, if you want to take your TEF exam, your TCF exam to go to a Francophone country like Canada, which is really very important. So what are you waiting for? You can join my classes. Next question, which almost every parent has, that how am I different from other tutors? For me, language is my passion. So there are 4 important key skills that I always look for. How do you write a language? How do you speak a language? How do you read a language? And how do you listen to a language? What happens generally while we are talking, we slip on the content or we do not know that which tense to be used because French language is so vast. So here I am to give you all the notice and all the things about the same. So my classes are different because I always interact with my kids in French as well as in English so that they understand it in a better way. Till today, I have 27 kids enrolled from UrbanPro. I have taught some thousands of kids because I have been working in one of the reputed schools of Dwarka, where I have served as the HOD, the head of the department for the French language also. Hello, everyone. Welcome to UrbanPro.com. Learn French with Shivani Katyal. Today, I thought of covering articles. And why did I choose articles? Because as we all know that article plays the most important part in French language. So, les articles sont divisés en 4 parties. The French articles are divided into 4 parts. Les articles définis, definite articles. Les articles indéfinis, indefinite articles. Les articles contractés, contracted articles. Les articles partitifs, partitive articles. The same articles are also there in our English language. So, I'll start with les articles définis. Now, what are definite articles? In English, definite article means the. Simple the. But what happens when we enter into the French language? I'll just show it to you. Okay, as I said, today I'm explaining articles. So here I am with definite articles. Definite article in English means the, simple the. But in French, it is divided into 4 parts. Le. It means the, which is used for all the objects which are masculine singular. For example, as I know that le stylo is what? Le stylo. It is the pen. Le crayon. Le crayon. That means it is what? It is a pencil. I know, I have learned it that these 2 words are masculine. Let me go to the second one, that is la. La. La also means the, but it is used for feminine singular. Now, what are the words which come under this category? La fille. La fille, the girl. The next example is la gomme. La gomme. That means the eraser. So, I know the eraser is feminine in French, and I know that girl is definitely feminine in French. So, I always use the article la with it. The next important thing is L apostrophe. L apostrophe. It also means the. What happens in French language that when we have any vowel which is coming in the front, any vowel which is coming in the front, we do not add two articles together. So what happens? LE or LA changes to L apostrophe and we write the next word. For example, here what I wrote is Lami. Lami. Lami means the friend. Now, whether it is a feminine friend or it is a masculine friend, but it starts with the vowel. Before I move ahead, let me tell you the vowels in French. A, E, I, O, U, H, and Y. These are the vowels in French. So, the last one for the definite article is les. Les. Les is also used for masculine and feminine plural objects. Now, what do you mean by that? If I say les amis, the friends, les filles, the girls, les gommes, the erasers, anything, any noun that has to change into plural will change the article to les. I hope you all are clear with the simple rules of definite articles. My next slide or my next topic for today is indefinite articles. Indefinite articles in English means a or an. Simple. A or an. But in French, encore, ils sont divisés en trois parties. Again, they are divided into three parts. Un, une, des. Un, une, des. Un is used for masculine singular objects. Une is used for feminine singular objects. They is used for masculine, feminine, plural objects. Please remember that indefinite articles do not have another part for vowels. Whether it is a vowel or whether it is a consonant, the indefinite article remains same. What do I mean by that? Let's have a word. Un garçon. Un garçon, a boy. Un stylo, a pen. Un crayon, a pencil. Because I know that these words are masculine. Une fille, a girl. Une gomme, an eraser. Une règle, a ruler. As I know that these words are feminine. Des garçons, if you see, a changes to they, as the article changes from singular to plural form. Des garçons, des filles, des stylos, des crayons. So this was all about indefinite articles. I'll move to the third article, that is contracted article. Les articles contractés. What do you mean by contraction in English? Contraction means when you join two things together. So what happens in contracted articles? One side is a preposition and second side is the definite article. One side is the preposition and second side is the definite article. Now, let's have a look at how it works. As I said, there are two prepositions which are most important in contracted article. One is preposition a and one is preposition the. A and the. A. If I talk about preposition a has three meanings. To, in, at. A has three meanings. To, in, at. So, what happens when they combine with definite articles? A plus l, as l is my definite article, it gives me o. It gives me o. So, a means to and l means the. To the, in the, at the. I hope you all are clear. Has three meanings. To, in, at, and l means the. So when I combine to the, in the, at the. It is used with masculine singular objects. For example, l'étudiant donne le livre au professeur. The student gives the book to the professor. The student gives the book to the professor. As I know that professor is masculine in French, so I will use au professeur. Okay, the next part is à la. À la. À la means to the, in the, at the, and it is used with feminine singular objects. Example 2. Le soir, je vais à la piscine. The evening, I am going to the swimming pool. As piscine is feminine, so à la is used. Please remember everyone, it depends upon the noun that whether you have to use masculine or feminine. It does not depend upon your gender, that whether you are masculine or you are feminine. It depends upon the gender of the noun or the object that you are talking about. It never depends upon you. So I'll go to the third one. A plus L apostrophe, it becomes AL apostrophe. To the, in the, at the. It is used with masculine, feminine, singular vowels. As I said, definite articles are different for vowels. So, example 3. Elle va à l'école. She goes to the school. As école is starting with vowel, so AL apostrophe is used. Next, A plus les, which becomes O. It becomes O. Again, meaning is to the, in the, at the. Now, O is used with masculine, feminine, plural objects. Le professeur parle aux étudiants. In this, if I see, étudiant is plural. That's why I have used AUX, O. O is used with plural noun or plural objects. Now I'll go to the next one, which is the. The means of or from. When I combine it with definite article, which is le, la, le, el apostrophe, let's see what happens. The plus le combines together and forms du. Du. Of the, from the. Because the means of or from, le means the. So of the, from the. It is used with masculine singular objects. Example, j'achète les fruits du marché. I buy the fruits from the market. From the, and I'm using it du because market is masculine. Second, the la. The plus la together becomes the la, which means of the, from the. And it is used with feminine singular objects. Je viens de la piscine. I come from the swimming pool. Here, piscine is feminine, so I have used the la. My third one, the plus les becomes they. Of the, from the. It is used with masculine and feminine plural objects. Il revient des États-Unis. They return from the United States of America. United States of America is plural, so I have used they. The fourth one, del apostrophe, it also means of the and from the. It is used with masculine, feminine, singular vowels. Cadeau de l'enfant est joli. Gift of the child is pretty. Here I have used del apostrophe because e is vowel. Now, the last topic, les articles partitifs. Now, what is partitive article? When we have to say something for an imprecise quantity, we use partitive article. For example, if I say, I want to have a piece of a cake, a piece of a cake. So that piece, that means I don't want to have a whole cake. I just want to have a piece of a cake. Je voudrais manger un morceau de gâteau. I want to have a piece of a cake. So that whole cake is lying. I'm just eating a piece. For that, we use partitive articles. And how is it used? Let's have a look. Now, here also, the plus la becomes du, masculine singular objects. Example, vous mangez du jambon? You eat some ham? As jambon is masculine, I am using you. The plus la becomes de la, feminine singular objects. Nous buvons de la limonade. We drink some lemonade. As limonade is feminine, lemonade is feminine, I am using de la. The plus les becomes they, masculine, feminine, plural objects. Example, j'achète des pommes. I buy some apples. As apples are plural, I am using des. The plus L apostrophe changes to del apostrophe, which is used for masculine, feminine, singular vowels. Example, je veux de l'eau. I want some water. As water, O, starts with E, which is a vowel, so del apostrophe is used. Here I conclude my PPT for the same. Merci beaucoup. Bonne chante. Au revoir. I would like to thank you for watching my video. For more reviews and information, you can help me out at UrbanPro. You can check my profile and always be there to help everyone. Thank you and have a great day.